Introduce Lammoto Vast Pro, a dual 1080-pixel full-color night vision system, and Dashcam to let you drive safe at night. 8-inch high-resolution screen, 2.5D process technology, high-quality requirement. Support 128G storage. One-time record up to 30 hours, then automatically renew. With Sony CMOS chip and 7-layer glass lens, Lammoto Vast Pro can capture clear view even in darkness and make it just as daylight. The night view distance can be up to 300 meters and let you have 2 to 3 more seconds to act. Bad weather? No problem. In rainy, foggy, or snowy day, Lammoto Vast Pro still can offer excellent view. 2 ways to power on. Connect with OBD or the cigarette lighter. Then it can work. 2 ways installation. Lammoto Vast Pro can fit any car. To make a living, most of the time we are on the way. Lammoto Vast Pro can work all the time. For some people, they may have difficulties to drive at night, but with Lammoto Vast Pro, they will not miss the important time in life.
Grandpa! Yeah. I can drive at night now. I won't miss your bird party anymore.
If we say, also need to make sure the security. 1 click to turn off the screen, but the cameras always work. Drive at night. Not only need to focus on the way, but also need to be cautioned about unexpected conditions, such as wild animal. 45-degree front camera makes sure all clear on the way, and 170-degree 1080-pixel rear view camera can record all the things when parked. We are always on the way. Lammoto Vast Pro will always guide you.
Yes, I arrived safely.